My goodness me, this is embarrassing. He's actually taller than me.
Part of my career as a university lecturer, we are also required to look around for what should inspire our students. And in my case, I always look around and collect plants so that my students are inspired. And in this particular case, I have different plants. So when I looked at this matooke, I really felt should be added into my collection of things that can inspire my students. And so it's in the garden, and so many students have actually been drawn by this particular banana plant, and they have used it in their designs, they have used it in painting, they have used it in drawing. It's really a very, very important plant.
This is matooke made in Uganda Zaabu. Real banana. Talk about it.
I find the matooke plant so fascinating. It brings memories of my childhood. My father had a banana plantation. It was this huge plantation, and he would take us there. As children, we would run around the banana plantation. I think I've grown with it. I have collected all kinds of matooke, but this particular one, it looked short. The branches were really huge. I remember this, of course, in my father's garden. It was never there. But just looking at something that was different, but also helping me to recall the memories of my childhood, I found that fascinating.
Real matooke. It's a matooke of the century.
This particular banana, I really like it a lot because when you plant it, you don't really need a lot of space. And it's high yielding, so you are sure of getting a lot out of it. I really love collecting banana plants, but this particular one, it is really so fascinating. It just attracted my eye. I felt, okay, this could really feed a family, and indeed it does, because you can equally get like 25 clusters out of it, and that is really huge. So it means that it's high yielding. Another thing I've noticed about this banana, though I haven't yet tried it, is that you can still get income from it. Apart from feeding and generating income, is that it can also bring joy to us, because this matooke has brought joy in this space within my community, in that people come to this garden to harvest, and we always even call it a banana harvest celebration, because this is the time I meet neighbors that have taken probably 4 months without seeing. But when there's this harvest, we say, okay, there's a harvest for matooke, then we all meet here and we are happy about the matooke, but we also talk a lot about our community. It's really dynamic. It can do all that.
This is what we shall be exporting to bigger markets after the COVID-19.
This banana plant, I should say it's like 8 years, because that's when I really planted it. And within that period, it has inspired my neighbors. Somehow it's just like some gift that someone takes away and creates the remembrance of a space. So when they take it away and they say, this is Amanda's banana, from one seedling I have all this, so it also makes me feel satisfied. And then others always, whenever they come in, then they say, okay, look, actually this matooke, you could make so much from it. You could make sanitizers, the banana wine. So all the time we could make. So which means it is bringing inspiration to different people in my community, especially those who even go extra mile to come and pick a seedling or pick a tuber and then plant it in their gardens.